yelling, "Hey, there's no parking!" There's salsa music blasting from the window of that car, while the man on the corner strums a guitar. Babies scream.
Is that good?
Selling ice cream. They go doot diddly doo. And
Yeah.
when traffic jams, you're sure to hear an awfully loud toot, 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 toot. Next time you walk down the sidewalk of any city street, feel the city's rhythm, the movement, the soul, the beat. I love the symphony, the sounds and songs of the city. It may be just noisy to some, but to me, it's sure pretty. And that's right, Z. The end. Those were spectacular city noises. Say, what kind of noises do you hear in your neighborhood?
What are you doing?
It's puzzle time. Are you ready to
You like
play the
pizza?
game?
Yay!
Okay. Where are the two cards that have pink suns on them?
There's one.
Great. And where's the matching pink sun? Is it this one?
No.
Hmm.